Hey everyone, Acer has once again pushed the boundaries of gaming laptops with the introduction of its new Predator Helios Neo AI series, which includes the Predator Helios Neo 16 AI and the Predator Helios Neo 18 AI. These high-performance machines are designed to cater to both gaming enthusiasts and professionals looking for AI-driven capabilities. Starting with the Predator Helios Neo 16 AI, this laptop is built around a 16-inch display with multiple configuration options to cater to different user preferences. The top-tier model features an OLED panel with a WQXGA resolution, delivering vibrant colors with a 100% DCI-P 3-color gamut, a fast 1 millisecond response time, and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus for seamless graphics switching. Other options include a 180 or 240 Hz LED display for those prioritizing refresh rates over OLED image quality. Under the hood, the Predator Helios Neo 16 AI is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, specifically the Core Ultra 9 275HX or Core Ultra 7 255HX. The laptop also offers up to 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM and up to 2 terabytes of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, making it capable of handling demanding games and content creation tasks. Acer has equipped this model with an advanced cooling system, incorporating vector heat pipes, liquid metal thermal grease, and aeroblade fans to maintain optimal temperatures during prolonged gaming sessions. Weighing around 2.7 kilos, the laptop is fueled by a 90 watt-hour battery, providing a respectable balance between performance and mobility. Additional features include a 1080p webcam, micro SD card reader, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, and Windows 11 OS, ensuring a modern and well-connected experience. Moving to the larger Predator Helios Neo 18 AI, it shares many of the same specifications as its 16-inch counterpart, including the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX and Core Ultra 7 255HX processors, RTX 5070 or 5070 Ti GPU options, up to 64 gigs of RAM, and up to 2 terabytes SSD storage. The primary difference lies in the display, where users get 4 different 18-inch panel options. While most configurations feature LED panels, the highest-end variant boasts a mini LED panel, offering superior brightness and contrast. This version also includes a 250 Hz refresh rate and 100% DCI-P 3-color gamut, ensuring an immersive gaming and content consumption experience. With AI integration, Acer aims to provide more than just a gaming powerhouse. These laptops are also optimized for AI-enhanced workflows, making them suitable for productivity and creative applications. The AI capabilities, combined with the latest RTX 5000 series GPUs, ensure that these laptops remain future-proof for gaming and AI workloads. Acer plans to release the Predator Helios Neo 16 AI in North America in April, followed by an EMEA launch in May. The starting price is set at $1,899 in the US. Meanwhile, the Predator Helios Neo 18 AI will debut in North America in May and reach EMEA markets in June with a starting price of $2,199. This launch aligns with Acer's broader strategy of expanding its gaming and AI-driven product lineup, which also includes the recently announced Predator X27U X1, a 26.5-inch 2K240 Hz QD OLED gaming monitor. As AI continues to shape the future of computing, Acer's latest Predator Helios Neo AI series represents a bold step in integrating cutting-edge gaming performance with advanced AI capabilities. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.